Hello, I'm Ray Freiwirth, CEO and founder of the Commons XR. Although video games provide engaging social environments for young people, using avatars to symbolize their best selves while they learn, traditional schools are limited in their ability to create relevant and reduce bias learning environments, as well as generally lacking rapid feedback loops for teachers and students. The solution lies in the Commons XR, a unique app that reduces bias in a virtual classroom where teachers can transport their students anywhere the learning takes them. Our unique patent-pending VR and AI platform provides real-time engagement analytics compatible with any classroom laptop, headset, or metric software, therefore minimizing any barriers to entry. In this way, we increase engagement and persistence. While there are many competitors in the space of educational virtual platform and mentoring, none provide the type of data we personalize to each student through AI to quickly determine if a student is struggling with a concept due to disengagement or lack of understanding. We've had successful classroom trials using our MVP with Brandeis, Miramar, UCLA Extension, and Miracosta. With our experienced team, we are now moving forward with a product. The Commons XR prepares teachers and students for the future, and with our help, we will become the next generation classroom. We look forward to helping you open the doors to the world in service of authentic learning. Thank you